Okay guys, this is one of our tender greens or our mustard greens. I want you to look at the size of the leaves here. Look at the size of that leaf. This is my hand. Look at the size of that leaf. That leaf is probably 16 inches long and 16 inches wide. It's almost a complete circle around it. We've been picking some of the leaves off of them, but look at the size of these leaves. I mean, you can see that it rained, and look at this. Now that's compared to my hand. Look at the size of those leaves. This is what cool weather crops can do in the South when the weather is right. These things are just beautiful. Now this is a tender green. It's a type of mustard that is just beautiful. We're going to probably get some of these leaves off to cook, and look at them. Just beautiful plants here. Okay guys, this is another one of our tender green, mustard green plants here. You can see the bugs have started to get to it. We had a couple of days that the temperature got up in the mid 70s and them bugs popped out, and you can see how they riddle the leaves on them. That really makes for a bad crop when the bugs come out. But you see the size of this plant. This thing is huge. Look at the leaves on this thing. This thing's a good 2 feet tall. So we're going to try to get some of these bottom leaves off and let the other ones have a chance. Now the one behind it has already started bolting. Those few days of 70-something degree temperatures made this thing bolt. It's getting ready to go to seed. We're probably going to leave it and let it go to seed because there's nothing really right here that it's going to cross with, and we'll harvest us a few mustard green seed from it to have. Okay y'all, we see Ms. Wanda trying to give our goats tender greens. They will not eat tender greens. They refuse them. Mustard greens, look at them. They will not eat them. That's kind of new to us. Now the pigs will eat them. The chickens will eat them. Rabbits will eat them. But the goats, you would think a goat would eat anything, but they will not eat a mustard green. That is just amazing to us.
Come on, Joey.
They'll smell of them, but they will not eat them.